the sorry student, it get disconnected, so we will continue from the last video, that is from the quadrate bone. This mandible consists of many pieces and it articulates with the cranium through the quadrate bone. So we have already discussed this. The mandible is also known as a lower jaw, which is the bone that forms the lower part of the skull, and it is along with the maxilla, that is the upper jaw. Okay, and it will be connect to the cranium through the quadrate bone, and this quadrate bone is a skull bone which is found in the most of the tetrapods, that connects to the quadratojugal and the squamosal bone in the skull and forms the upper part of the jaw. Okay, the next point is vertebrae are gastrocerous. Okay, so gastrocerous means in amniotes, that is in reptiles. What happens, the centra are enlarged and it is fused, that forms a spool shaped centra. Okay, and this centra is called as a gastrocerous. Okay, so vertebrae will be gastrocerous. Then the next point is rib is single headed. Okay, the next point is the respiration. The reptiles respire through a lungs. Okay, that is the respiration, that is exhalation and the inhalation of the oxygen or the gases will be carried out by the lungs. Okay, then the heart is three chambered except in crocodiles. Heart is three chambered, that is it is divided into divided ventricles. Okay, in three chambered heart, what happens, the auricles, there will be presence of two auricles, and it is incomplete, it will be having a incomplete divided ventricle. Okay, whereas in crocodile, what happens, in crocodile it is heart is four chambered. Okay, that means it will be having a two auricles and two ventricle, completely divided two ventricle. Okay, so there will be what happened, there will be total separation of the deoxygenated and oxygenated blood, whereas in three chambered, what happened, there is a partial diffusion of deoxygenated and oxygenated blood takes place, just partial, not complete. Okay, still there are some mechanism which prevent the diffusion of oxygenated and deoxygenated blood. Okay, the next point, it will be having a right and a left aortic arches which are complete and functional. Okay, the red blood corpuscles, that is RBCs, are oval and nucleated in the reptiles. Okay, the next point is kidney. Kidney is without nephrostomes and the metanephric. Okay, and each kidney is provided with the separate ureter and the excretion is in the form of uricotelic. Okay, so kidney is without nephrostome. What do you mean by nephrostome? Nephrostome is a funnel like component in a metanephridium, and it is covered by the cilia which pushes the water. Okay, water, metabolic waste and unnecessary or the hormones which are not required, that it pushes to the metanephridium. Okay, so this is nephrostomes is absent, whereas the kidney is metanephric. Okay, and the excretion and kidney is provided with a separate ureter. Okay, and excretion will be in the form of, that is the nitrogenous waste will be in the form of uric acid. The form nitrogenous waste that is in the form of uric acid is called as a uricotelic. Okay, that is this uricotelic are found in reptiles and birds. Okay, then the Why uricotelic? Uricotelic is very important. The excretion of nitrogenous waste in the form of uricotelic conserve water. Okay, thus uric acid is poorly soluble in water, and it can be excreted with the minimal association of water. That's why this helps in the conservation of water. Okay, then the cerebrum. Next point is cerebrum is well developed, that is 12 pair of cranial nerves are present. Cerebrum is the uppermost part of the brain and that will control the body. Okay, balancing and all, it which is carried out by the cerebrum. It is very well developed, and it will be showing the 12 pairs of cranial nerves, that is the olfactory nerves, optic, then oculomotor, trochlear, then trigeminal, facial, vagus, accessory, hypoglossal. So there will be 12 pairs of cranial nerves will be present. Okay, then the sexes are separate, and lateral line will come to this. Sexes are separate means male usually with the pair of copulatory organ, that is in snakes and lizards, and unpaired in the crocodiles, okay, or in the chameleons. Okay, then next point is the lateral line sense organ is absent. So lateral line sense organs means this lateral line is a sensory organ found in aquatic vertebrates. So the reptiles being aquatic also, there will be absence of this lateral line, and this lateral line is used to detect movement, vibration and the pressure gradient in the surrounding water. Okay, thus it will be absent in the reptiles, but Jacobson organ are present. So this Jacobson organ, also called as a vermonasal organ, an organ that helps in chemoreception, and it is a part of the olfactory system. Okay, then the next point is the fertilization. Fertilization is internal, that means the fusion or the union of the egg and the sperm cell is take place inside the female body, and the fertilized egg leaves the female body